Are you a university student looking to make an extra 2,000 CDs? Here's an idea. To earn 2,000 CDs in 24 days, you need to make about 83 CDs a day. One way to do this is to find 4 customers who will each buy something that gives you a 20 CDs profit. That's 80 CDs a day, which is close to your goal. Here are a few products on Tendo that you can resell with a 20 CDs profit. Tendo reselling works like this. You, the reseller, choose products and set the price. Then, you market on social media to attract customers. Find 4 customers each day. When a customer wants to buy, you notify Tendo by placing the order with the customer's details on the Tendo app. Tendo delivers the product to your customer and sends your profit. Tendo is free to use and doesn't need any money to get started. This makes Tendo the best platform for any university student to earn 2,000 cedis. So, share this idea with a university student you know.